I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Mt4 installed, a logged-in demo or live account, and green connection bars. Once done, open MarketWatch and locate the instrument you want. Double-click or drag it to create a chart. Make sure the chart timeframe and indicators match your plan. Next, click New Order on the toolbar or press F9 to open the order window. This begins the trade entry process, so keep your risk parameters in mind. Now you configure order details step by step. Choose the correct symbol, set volume in lots, and pick market or pending order type. For safety, add stop loss and take profit levels using price or pip values. This controls risk. Check the spread and free margin on the terminal so you can afford the position. For pending order, set trigger price and expiry if needed. When everything matches your trade plan, click buy or sell or place for pending orders. And to execute. After execution, confirm your position in the terminal's trade tab and monitor unrealized profit and margin levels. You can modify stop loss or take profit by dragging lines on the chart or right-clicking the order in terminal to modify or close. If an order is rejected or not placed, first make sure your connection is active and you have sufficient margin. Also verify symbol suffixes, order volume limits, and trading hours. If issues persist, restart Mt4 and contact your broker with the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.